Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about the branch wise and category wise cutoff for male and female for all the 23 IITs of India. This is the first part of 3 video in which I will discuss about all the IITs. So in this video, I will consider the last 8 IITs and next 2 video I will complete all the 23 IITs cutoff. So watch this video till the end as this video is very important for JOSA Counseling 2020 regarding the choice filling. So if you watch this video till the end, you will get the complete information regarding the branch wise and category wise cutoff for male and female about all of the IITs of India. So if you are first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get such type of information in future also. And after watching this video, if you have any doubt, do ask in the comment section. And for many such video on IITs, Triple IT, JFTI, NIT, cutoff of all these colleges, check the I button as well as the description box. So let's start the today's video. With the 23rd number IIT, that is IIT Dharwad. It was established in 2016 and here is the cutoff for each and every category. So for CSC branch, the general category male cutoff goes to 5000 and for female it is 7.5 thousand. For OBC category male 2000, female 4000. For SC category male cutoff goes to 1000 and there is no seat reserved for female. And for ST category male cutoff 700 and no seat for female, and there is no seat reserved for EWS category also. So the next is electrical engineering branch. The general category cutoff for male goes to 8000 and for female 14000. For OBC male 3300 and for female 6200, and for SC male it is 1800. And wherever you find the star marks, that means that category or that branch is not reserved. So here is there no reservation for SC category female in electrical engineering branch, and for ST category male cutoff goes to 800. Now for mechanical engineering, the general male cutoff goes to 10.5 thousand, female 16,000. For OBC male 3700, female 7000. For SC category male 2000. For ST category male 800. Now let's talk about the number 22 IIT, that is IIT Bhilai. It was also established in 2016. Here is the cutoff. For CSC general male cutoff goes to 5200, female 9000. For OBC male 2000, female 3800. For SC male 1300. For ST male 650. For EWS male 700. Now for electrical engineering, the general category male cutoff goes to 8.5 thousand and female 13.5 thousand. For OBC male 3300, female 6000. For SC male 1900, ST male 750, and for EWS male it is 1000. Now for mechanical engineering, the general category cutoff for male goes to 10,000. For female it is 17,000. For OBC male 3700. For female 6700. For SC male 2000, ST male 900, and for EWS male it is 1200. Now let's talk about the 21 number IIT, it is IIT Jammu. It was also established in 2016 and here is the cutoff. For CSC General category male cutoff goes to 5600, female 11,000. For OBC male 2400, female 5000. For SC male 1300, female 2.5 thousand. For ST male 800, EWS male 700. Now for civil branch, the general category cutoff for male goes to 12.5 thousand and for female 18.5 thousand. For OBC male it is 4,000, female 7,000. For SC male it is 2,000 and for female 3,000. For ST male 700, EWS 1300. Now for electrical engineering, the general category male cutoff 9,000 and female 15,000. For OBC male cutoff 3,800, female cutoff 6.5 thousand, and for SC male 2,000, female 3,000. For ST 700 for male and EWS 1,000 for male and 2.2 thousand for female. Now for mechanical engineering, the general category cutoff goes to 10.5 thousand for male and 7.2 thousand for female. And OBC category cutoff goes to 4,000 for male and 7.3 thousand for female. And for SC category, male cutoff goes to 2,000 and female 3.3 thousand. And for ST male, it is 800. For EWS male, it is 1200. Now for chemical engineering branch, the general category cutoff for male goes to 12.1 thousand and for female it is 20,000. For OBC male 4,300, female 7,000. For SC male 2,400, female 3,000. For ST male it is 1,000 and for EWS it is 1,400. Now for material science engineering, the general category cutoff goes to 13,000 for male and 22,000 for female, and OBC 5,000 for male, and there is no seat for female category. And for SC male 3,000, female 3.5 thousand. For ST male 1.5 thousand. For EWS 1200 for male, 3,000 for female. Now talk about the number 20 IIT, that is IIT Tirupati. It was established in 2015 and here is the cutoff for CAC. The general category cutoff for male goes to 3.6 thousand and for girl it is 6,000. For OBC male 1.4 thousand. For female 2,100. For SC male it is 1,000. For ST male it is 500 and there is no seat for EWS. For electrical engineering, general male goes to 7,000, female 10,000, and for OBC male 2.5 thousand, and for female 4.5 thousand, and for SC male 2,000, ST male 750. Now for mechanical engineering, the general category cutoff for male 9,200, female 13.5 thousand. For OBC male 3.3 thousand, for female 5.3 thousand. For SC male 2,000, for ST male it is 800. Now for chemical engineering, the general category cutoff for male 11.5 thousand, for female 16.5 thousand. For OBC male 4,000, female 6,000. For SC male 2.3 thousand, for ST male 1,000. So now the civil engineering branch. The general category cutoff for male goes to 12,000, for female 15.5 thousand. For OBC male 3,800 and for female 4,000. For SC male 2,000, ST male 700. Now talk about the number 19 IIT, that is IIT Palkad. It was also established in 2015 and here is the cutoff for CSC. For general male cutoff goes to 5,000, female 8,000, OBC male 2,000, female 4,000, SC male 1,200, ST male 600 and EWS male 550. Now for electrical engineering branch, the general category boy cutoff goes to 800 and for girl it is 14,000 and for OBC male it is 3000, female 5000. For SC male it is 2000, ST male 750, EWS male 1000. Now for mechanical engineering, general male cutoff goes to 10,000, female 15,000, OBC male 3.5 thousand, female 6.5 thousand, and SC male it is 2000, ST male 800, and EWS male it is 1100. Now for civil branch, the general category cutoff for male goes to 11.5 thousand, for female 17,000, for OBC male it is 4,000, for female 7,000, for SC male it is 2,000, ST male 650, and EWS male it is 1250. Now the number 18 IIT, that is ISM Dhanbad. It was established in 1926, and here is the cutoff for CSC branch. The general category cutoff for male 3000, female 5700, OBC male 1000, female 2000, SC male 500, female 900. For ST male 400, female 850, and for EWS male it is 250. And for EC general category cutoff for male 4000, female 7.5 thousand. For OBC male 1.7 thousand, female 4000, SC male 1100, female 2000, ST male 550, female 950, and for EWS male 500. Now for electrical engineering branch, the male cutoff for general category goes to 6000, female 11.5 thousand, and for OBC male it is 2000, female 5000, and for SC male it is 1.3 thousand, female 2.4 thousand. For ST male it is 500, and EWS male it is 555. Now for civil engineering, the general cutoff for male goes to 9,000, female 16,000, OBC male 3,000, female 6.5 thousand, SC male 1600, female 3000, ST male 500, and there is no seat for EWS. Now for chemical engineering branch, the general category cutoff for male goes to 9,000, female 14.5 thousand, OBC male 3,000, female 6.5 thousand, SC male 2,000, female 2.5 thousand, ST male 900. Now talk about the number 17 IIT, that is IIT Mandi. It was established in 2009, and here is the cutoff for CSC branch 3000, for general male and female 5.5 thousand, for OBC male 1.2 thousand, female 3000, and for SC male it is 800, female 1.5 thousand, ST male 450, and no seat for EWS. For electrical engineering, the general cutoff goes to 5.5 thousand for male and 10,000 for female. And for OBC, the cutoff is 2.5 thousand for male, 5.5 thousand for female. And for SC, a male 1.5 thousand, female 2,000. For ST, 600 for male. Now for mechanical engineering, the general cutoff goes to 7.5 thousand for male, 13.5 thousand for female, and for OBC male 3,000, female 6.5 thousand, for SC male 1.5 thousand, and for female 2.5 thousand, and for ST it is only 650. Now for civil, the general cutoff for male goes to 9.5 thousand, female 15,000. For OBC male it is 3.5 thousand, female 7.2 thousand. For SC male it is 2,000, female 3,000, and for ST male it is only 550. Now talk about the number 16 IIT, that is IIT Goa. It was established in 2016, and here is the cutoff for CSC branch. General category cutoff goes to 4,000 for male, 7.5 thousand for female, and OBC male 1,700, female 3.5 thousand, and for SC male it is 1,000, ST male 500, EWS male 400. Now for Electrical engineering branch, the general category cutoff for male goes to 7,000, female 11.5 thousand. For OBC male it is 3,000, female 5.5 thousand. For SC male it is 2,000, ST male 700, AWS male 1,000. And for mechanical branch, the general cutoff for male goes to 9.5 thousand, for female 15.5 thousand, for OBC male 3.6 thousand, female 6.5 thousand. For SC male it is 1.6 thousand, female 3.2 thousand, and for ST male 720, for AWS male 1100. So that's it about the branch wise and category wise cutoff for male and female for last 8 IITs. In next video I will consider remaining 15 IIT and discuss their category wise and branch wise cutoff. So stay tuned for the next video, and if you have liked this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks.